Hey, welcome in to this podcast tonight. It's a live hangout session, and we have the famous Todd Anderson with us tonight. And I'm going to be able to do this as long as I stay quiet when my family's asleep. They're probably going to come in here and go. Tonight he's trying to win, I don't know, what is it, 5%? We're going to go with 5%.
5%. Yeah, my account is bigger than what I'm actually using as a trading balance. I have total of 357.26 in my trading account, but I'm only trying to win 5% of what is it? 173.57 is currently where I think. Is that where I'm at? Hold on, let me look at my thing. Oh no, I have 182.72. That's where I'm at. I'm at $182. So I'm winning. Going to try to win 5% or 5.28% of that.
I know what you need to do. Tap on that microphone. It's not coming through your microphone. It's coming through your dumb computer. Go into your audio settings and make sure it's.
Hold on. I don't have it plugged in. Hang on.
Okay, yeah, that's what I was saying. Like, you sound like a dingus.
Yeah, hang on.
We're gonna get started. I'll roll the tape while he does that. All right, we're back. And tonight, I don't know why it sounds like echoey. Tonight, I am trying to pick out free plugins from waves.com. Oh, there you go. Yeah, there you go.
I forgot to plug that in. Okay. That'll do it. Okay. So anyway, I'm trying to win 5.28% of $182 and some change. And I'm starting. Where'd it go? Okay. So I'm gonna start with a half of a trade. So it's $1.83. So it's a 1% trade. So I have $182.73. I'm gonna be starting with $1.83. That's my trade amount. So so I got my computer set to $1.83. I'm going to some charts here. So I got I'm looking at well, I guess you can all see my screen. I'm on Boeing right now. I'm just going through the charts, just looking for. I think this is going to go down. I've got it currently set to 1 minute trades. I'm going to drop that to 5 seconds because I like to live like Larry. Okay, that actually hit. I think it's going to go down.
Wow. Are you going to make it?
Yes. Boom. Trade number 1 is a win.
Okay.
Total of $3.51. I'm going to change that now to $3.51.
Are you going to go up with it?
I am going to level that up. Yeah, because, why not? Oh, that was a loss. Crap. Crappity crap. It's okay. I'm going to go back to $1.83.
I'm just here looking at Waves plugins. I'm trying to pick some Waves plugins, man.
Dang it. That's another loss. Okay. So I'm currently at 353.60.
$3.60. So how many? Are you in 10-second trades?
I'm in 10-second candles, 5-second trades. I'm going to get off this chart. Won my first one, then lost the next two. So I'm down roughly $4. Okay, I won that one. Okay, now I'm going to go 351 again. I'm going to go back for the... Remember I was talking earlier about how once you win these compounds, like it puts you right back where you started. I might as well just come in and taking a $5 trade. I could have already been... Because I won my first one.
Yeah, like today I got a little bit of my profit by doing a 5 and a 10. I was trading for a while and I was like, I had some profit, so I was like, I'm gonna hit this $5 and see what happens. It started to win. I was like, I took the 10 for the next trade and won them both. And so I was like, I was already up, so I was using my profit,
Mm-hmm.
It was good. It was nice.
I'm going to go there. Let's see what happens. And it's going to be a loss. Dang it! Okay, so essentially I'm down $1.83, $1.83. So that's like 2, 4, 6. So I'm down like $6, I guess, from where I started. I feel like taking a $6 trade and getting it back, but
why would you do that?
Well, because now at this point I'm starting to get down there where well, okay. Now I'm down another $2, so I'm down like $8. So
what's your stop loss tonight?
1188. But I'm kind of getting down there a little ways, so I'm going to jump up to a 1 minute trade and see if I can find something good. And
You want me to help you?
well, no, I mean, you're just doing your own thing. I think that was the point of
Yeah, I'm
trading
just yeah, okay. Yeah, just do your thing. I mean, if you want to, just stay. What was your starting trade amount? $2?
I'm going to take a $5 trade here, or a $6 trade.
Okay.
I kinda
What was
have to.
what was your starting amount supposed to be?
There we go. Okay, that's kind of a point. It could have gone up a little more, but the RSI touched in my. I took a 2 minute trade, so we'll see what this does. But this is on Apple.
Okay. I'm gonna log in and start watching you because you're getting.
Well, you're not even logged in. You're not even logged in to watch here.
No, I mean I'm watching your screen. I'm gonna log into my own charts and look at it.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, though that's pretty good. It's about to RSI touch.
Well, it is on my end, but
Are you on 2 minute candles?
no, I'm on 10-second candles, but
Oh. But you've
I
got
took
a
a
call on
2 minute
this.
trade.
You got a
What?
call on this, right?
No, it's a put.
Oh, it's a put. Is it winning? Okay, I see where you're at.
Well, it's kind of at a
Yeah, it's at 1 minute. It's at an RSI touch. So,
yeah.
30 seconds is at a RSI break. It already
I
broke
could
through.
double it up here, but I'm not sure that I want to do that.
Yeah, this one right here might. Yeah, I mean it just broke through. If you were gonna double it, I'd double it now before it goes any higher because that's the high jump you're doing. You don't have to double it, but
I just did. I want to see what happens. If I lose it,
it's 40. Okay, 40 seconds. Yeah, it's a 1 minute, man. This is kind of pushing, but I mean, I hope it comes back. What do you got on it?
$6. Well, 12
30
now.
30 seconds. Okay, I see.
Oh, time wise? Yeah, I'm gonna lose it.
Uh,
Maybe not.
I mean, I don't know. It's kind of a breakthrough there. Both the 30 second and the 10 second and the 1 minute. It's all kind of broke through the RSI. Oh, there you go. There you go. Are you in the money yet? Any
No.
of them? Oh, yeah, it's way down there. Okay. It
Nope.
didn't go.
I
Didn't
lost
quite
them
go.
both, bro.
All right, well, then better tighten it up there, shipper captain.
I don't know. I mean, I have so much surplus. I could just take a $12 trade.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I would do. I would just go find a good trade and take a $12 trade. That's totally what I would do at this point since you're on this.
I mean, what do you think? Do you think I should?
Yeah, I think
this-
I think you have surplus. I would take a $12 trade.
Okay, well, on this chart here, okay, Do you think I should switch over to something else? This one is kind of in a channel and it's going back up. So if you look at it in the 10 seconds, it's just going down, then bouncing up. And if I take a call.
Yeah, if you took a call right now for a couple minutes, like it looks, I'd take it for a couple minutes. It's heading up, I think.
Like right now? Or
Yeah.
Would you wait a little longer? Because this might get an engulfing candle. Let's see what this next candle does. But
it's down there right now. It looks like it's going back up. I don't know. This one's kind of, I mean, if you're going to take a channel up, I would.
Should we look for a better chart? What do you think?
Yeah, I would have taken it way down there when it was down there. Let's look for something that's actually happening.
I'm gonna go over to currencies.
Okay, yeah. Let's go over to currencies. I'll help you find something that I think is decent. You're on a what? $12?
Yeah.
Okay, that's not.
That won't really give me any profit, but
that'll get you back to where you can go. Okay.
Well, actually, I mean, no. Actually, I need to take like a $15.
Okay, well then take a $15. Oh man, it's happening kind of fast. Dang, I don't know, man. I can't get too nervous about this.
You never get nervous.
I can't get too nervous about it because.
What about OddCAD?
Odd NZD too is heading down. But what were you gonna say about OddCAD?
Nothing. I'm just gonna go to Odd NZD. So, what do you think on Odd NZD? What would you take, a 2-minute put? What?
Yeah, I mean, I'm thinking it's going down, right? Wait, Odd NZD, where'd it go? Okay, hold on. Yeah, I was thinking it was going back down. 30 seconds. Let me think. Well, I mean, it could be going up. Hold on a minute. I mean, it looked like it kind of broke, but now. If it breaks above, I don't know about 2 minutes, but if it breaks above that green wick, one candle back, if it breaks, it might be going up from here. I don't know. It's kind of a down. This is kind of in a weird space. I mean, I think I'd have to think about it.
Maybe we shouldn't take this. What do you think time-wise?
Well, I always do, 1 to 2 minutes is fine. It depends on my feel. I don't know, dude. I mean, what do you think? A 2-minute trade?
I don't know, because
okay, fine. You stay on 10-second candles, okay? I'm gonna stay on 1-minute candles. You stay on 10 seconds. And
okay.
What are we on? Odd NZD. It looks like to me that it's in the middle.
NZD to me isn't speaking anything to me.
Okay, then go to OddCAD. OddCAD is probably going down from here. It looks like it's going down. It's kind of at a bottom.
It just hit a bottom massively in 10 seconds.
Okay, yeah, it kind of did. It's kind of hitting a bottom in the 1 minute, or it's
either going
heading.
To consolidate here or it's going to break.
Yeah, if it breaks, take a 1-minute put. Like if it breaks down underneath the price of like 902.89, that there's a wick there like 902.90, 902.89, 902. Yeah, like right there. If it breaks from down from here, then I would take a 1-minute put. If it breaks where it just hit, because I think it's going down to another level, but you'd have to take about a 1 minute. And if it goes lower, if it breaks up, then you might be able to take a 1 minute up because it might be bouncing.
Well, what's it doing on your end? It just broke a white line, so it's kind of iffy.
Like right now, I think it's either way. Because, like I said, it might.
Yeah, I don't know what this is going to do. Right.
But if you look at it, in 1 minute, you can tell that it's possibly gonna. Yeah, it's okay. It's right here is on a line. It just broke the line I was talking about. It's bouncing back up. So let's wait and see what happens because it might go down.
I think it looked like it's going to go down.
My gut feeling is it's broken this line. You should probably take a 1 minute
put.
Right now? When it bounces up, any up bounce, I'd take a 1 minute put from wherever you're at here. 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, just now signal came in for pocket option for 2 minutes down. It's breaking down. If it pulls up in at all, then I'd put it
there,
like right there. Yeah, like right there. That was the right pull up.
But now it's got. Yeah. Okay. Sure.
Yeah, but you've got a one. Whoa! This is bad. This is bad. This is real bad. It was at a line right there, but it could. Okay, so what do you got on a minute?
I got a 1 minute. Yeah. So it's.
Well, it's obviously weird and yeah, it was sitting there on that line. It broke down and then it rejected. I still am not convinced it's not going to go back down.
I'm not going to win this, bro. It would have to really tank, and I don't know that it's going to.
Well, what do you got left on it?
17 seconds.
Well, it might because you're at the bottom of a consolidation and it's heading down there, dude. You got 17 seconds. Yeah, unless it bounces again. If it starts breaking again, you're probably winning almost right now, right?
Close.
Yeah. What you got? 10 seconds?
2, boom. Oh, yes! Got it. Last possible second.
Dude, I knew it. I knew that
Dang.
line was good. I knew that line was good. Yes! Oh, that's why I like pocket option.
Okay. So now, should I take another put for... See, now I'm down like $6. So
That's it? You're down $6?
For the day, yeah.
Well, I would go back to your $2 trades, and I would be careful here, but I would probably start thinking about taking another put because I think it is. Well, it's at another line, so it
yeah.
rejected pretty hard there. I'm not so sure it won't bounce back up again like it just
Should I
did.
take a 1 minute call or a 2 minute call or?
I don't know, man. You got to be careful. Like,
what would you
okay,
take?
I'm going back to 30 seconds. Okay, on this one, I'm going 30 seconds because that's what I normally do. I would take like a 2 minute put from here. Probably like if you're going to do something crazy, I'd take it from way up here maybe, but it does look, yeah, because it's wanting to go down. I'd wait till it jumps, but this chart's kind of in a consolidation.
I'm gonna. Well, the reason I took it there is
okay. You're right. If you're looking
in
at
10-second candles, look at my RSI. You still got my screen up there?
I'm looking.
Look at my RSI.
Yeah,
okay, it's been going up to that middle line. And
okay, I hear you. No, that was a good call or good put because it's up at that medium, mid line now, and it's probably going back down. I do think in the 1 minute this chart wants to go back down. It's kind of been expanding. See, I don't know. I don't like trading in expanding charts. In other words, they're not real. They're going up kind of far and then up a little more and then down a little more and then up and then, they just keep
right
moving. They're not like bouncing between two specific places. But so
in 1 minute, this kind of looks terrible. In 10 seconds, it looks.
No, this looks good because it tried to break that down and then it didn't. It rejected. I think it's at least it's consolidating. So I think it's going to go back down in the next minute. That's what I think it's going to do, like that.
Okay, I'm in the money now.
I think it's going to kind of head back down for actually a lot longer than a minute. I think it's going to keep going back down. Unless it bounces off that bottom line again.
Well, yeah.
But it's been trying to break that line.
Here, so if it consolidates one more candle, then it could be bad news. But if it breaks on this candle.
Been trying to break down on that a long time. And your position is pretty good. I mean, although in 5 seconds. Are you in 1 minute now? Yeah, okay.
I'm looking at 1 minute.
I still think it's trying to break down, but it keeps bouncing off that bottom. So yeah, it could be. This is either way at this point, I think.
Yeah, it is. It is either way.
What are you in 10 seconds again?
Now I'm in 10 seconds. Yeah, I just want to see the deeper inside of this candle. Well, that's not good. Now I'm going to double it. No, I can't. I'm going to lose it.
No, don't double it. Don't double it.
I'm going to lose it. Boom, I just lost it. Dang it. I would have won this in like 1.5 minutes or something.
All right, so I think you should probably pick, I don't know what you're doing, but I would pick your own strategy, bro. Because you're, like, this is a total box in right now.
I'm going to go to 5 seconds and find something else.
Ooh, wait a minute. Euro USD, dude. Euro USD would, no. I would just get in the flow for yourself. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to my random. Oh, doubler. That's what I'm looking at. Doubler. Doubler. I would just be careful with your Okay. Well, that's cool.
Okay, now I'm down like $10, but I'm in a $2 trade. If I win it, I'll be good. Okay, got 1 minute left. I'm way in the money, but at this point it could could still shift, because it's still got.
Oh, that's great, dude. You're gonna win.
Not necessarily. I still got 45 seconds, and it's I got several candles left in the 10 second.
Oh, but it's pushing down now. You're gonna be good. See, now just take a 4. Well, where will you be for the day? I noticed. Okay, so for today, I noticed that I was trading. I did the TA climb. I did a couple things. I did notice that when I'm just doing 3, 6, 12, 3, 6, 12, 3, 6, I just sort of wind myself down. I just spin down and then I never get back up. Then I started doing the TA climb and I was like, this works a little better because you're doing 1, 1, and then if you lose, you do 2, and you're kind of doing a minor martin. The TA climb is a semi-martingale. I mean, it is.
Yeah, it is.
And so you can, and then when you get your win, you got it. So I used the TA climb today and doing 1, 1, 2, 4, and I did fairly good. And then I got a little bit of profit. Then I took that 5 and 10 and had my
Okay,
profit.
now I'm down $6 for the day. So.
Oh, okay. Well, then take your $4 trade.
I'm gonna take my $4 trade. Okay, now this is like shooting up now, like a rocket. So I'm thinking about just 5-seconding this all the way up.
You could.
But it got there kind of fast, so I might just let it launch back up here, and then because now it's kind of at the top, I could just take a 5-second put when it touches that top, but I don't know.
5 second, man, you're crazy. I don't know. That scares me.
Well, it already fell. It's not. Let me look at it. I haven't made a decision because if you look at it in the 1 minute, this doesn't look like anything I would trade on.
Yeah, well, just look at it. Since you're taking.
Well, look at the 10 second. 10 second, it went up. It almost touched that top, but it didn't. It kind of.
Yeah, but I think this is the downtrend. I think if I did anything, I'd put it for like a minute right here. Hold on, wait a minute. Yeah, like overall, I think this is the downtrend. I think
it doesn't look like a trend at all yet.
I think it's in terms of like the longer trades, I believe that it's, well, yeah, it kind of going back up. Let's see here. In the 30 second, it kind of, no, I mean, it's at a level, it's at a hard level on the top. So, I mean, I would say from here, you could put it for like a minute or two and it's probably going to win.
Okay. Look at OddCAD. Look at my screen on OddCAD right now.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I would call that. Well, OddCAD, let me see what I think OddCAD's doing.
It might break it though. This is a.
Oh yeah. This one right here is, yeah, this one right here, it'll break it or it'll get rejected. I mean, it's been high. That's the one that you traded on before. I think it's going to bounce back. Yeah, I think it's either way. You're just a ginormous guess, right there. I mean,
yeah, because it isn't moving very fast.
It broke and then it went way down and it hit that. Most likely, it's going to go back up from here. It went down so fast.
Well, see, looking at this in 1 minute.
Yeah, it broke way down.
This is something I would only trade 5 seconds on because I don't know what that's doing in 1 minute.
Exactly. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I mean,
in 5 seconds, when you get a break like that, usually it's a hard push down for at least a few seconds. But it's kind of flipping back and forth. So this is not, to me, not a good candidate for a 5-second trade.
Yeah.
To you, nothing is a good candidate for a 5-second trade.
You're right about that. Yeah.
Although I've won many 5-second trades.
Well, you're good at it, but I'm not.
Okay, odd NZD. This is kind of pushing towards the top. This might be a 5-second.
What is it, odd NZD?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Odd NZD is jumpy.
I can't tell. It's jumpy. Everything's jumpy. When it's jumpy, 5 seconds is really risky. But
well, you're in 10-second candles making 5-second trades. Yeah, that's really risky because
I'm not taking anything yet. I'm just
right. It doesn't know what it wants to do. This has been jumping. It's got a bunch of wicks in 1 minute, 30 seconds. I mean, it's wicking all over. It's up and down. It's definitely trying to get a bottom, but it's not hitting the bottom.
Okay, but looking at my stats, okay, I've lost a lot of trades. Because I martingaled, kind of deeply. I mean, well over my stop loss. I got back to where I'm only down $6. So
then take your $4 trade and you'll be back up.
Yeah.
Or you'll be down 10.
Or I'll be down, exactly.
See it. Well, I mean, you've lost a lot of trades, but you've also used like 5 different strategies, in this video. Odd USD is probably climbing. It is kind of climbing.
Odd NZD at the moment, but look at odd NZD. Look at that hard line right there. Okay, is it going to break that and then go back up? This might go back up.
It's going to have an RSI touch. I would take like a 2-minute call if it touches in 1 minute. It's 30 seconds actually. Let's see if it's going to do. Yeah, I think it's going to go down there and touch. I think it's going back up from down there. It's going to go back up from here probably. It's because it hasn't.
Right, I took a 1 minute call.
That was a good call right there. That was a good call because the RSI just kind of touched, and so if it
goes down to this further line here,
yeah, but if it jumps down there, you could double that up right there.
And that's what I'm going to do.
Double it, yeah, because that's where it's at.
That's the hard line. That's the one.
That's the hard line.
It's going to bounce on.
Yeah.
Unless it pushes further than that, but I hope it doesn't. I think it's going to turn around before.
Yeah,
then.
You got 25 seconds. Yeah, you're good. It's probably there it touched again. See, I've been burned a bunch. It's at a pretty big line down there, dude. It's at a pretty big line.
Yeah, I think it's going to shoot back up past there.
There, it's going back up. Are you in the money yet?
On one of them.
Okay, good. Well, that's better. That's fine. There you go. Are you going to stay in the money? Okay, good. Okay, you tied them.
Yeah, so I tied.
Okay, now you could probably take a 1 minute call because it's probably going to go back up from here, like when it jumps back down again. Like I feel like this, well, I don't know. This chart is kind of in a downtrend, but it's at the bottom of its thing. So it's like if it keeps going, this chart might keep going.
This looks like a turnaround. It's touching in the 1 minute.
It's touching again, yeah. If you took another 1 minute call, you might win it. Take another. Did you do a put?
I
know you took a call. Okay, I can't.
35 seconds. This may still win. I'm thinking about.
Yeah, if this turns around, you could probably take an $8 one on the way up too.
It's going up. I'm thinking about hitting the call button again, but.
Yeah, well, wait.
I kind of don't want to do that until I win.
Wait till you win. If you win,
I'm well in the money now on this 1 minute.
Okay, 20 seconds. Yeah, but this is sort of like one of those things that could head back down again. It's been doing that. I don't see it going straight up from here yet. It might fight back down, but then again,
I've got 5 seconds and I'm pretty well in the money. Well,
it doesn't have an engulfing candle.
Okay, we got it, bro. We got it. I'm at 354, so I'm only down $3 for the day.
Look at that! Look at that! You think it's gonna break down? I mean, you could call it again from down here. Again, you could call it again, dude. It's hitting that line again.
I don't know. This is
call it for like a minute because it's
kind of a downtrend though, bro. I don't. If the
okay.
RSI is touching, but
yeah, okay, it might break now because I'm really confused about this chart because you're right.
This actually looks like a next candle color kind of push. So.
Yeah, you're kind of right. But see, it's like it is touching, but I don't know that it's going to break through. But it isn't probably going back up. It's in a pretty good downtrend in general. I want to
see what the 10 seconds is doing. Okay, 10 seconds, because 10 seconds will tell you a lot.
Yeah, the line there kind of hit that line, broke through. It's it might retest that 10-second line on the upside and then head back down. I don't know. This one's confusing to me. In my 30-second thing, I would say that you could probably almost put it, if you were just being kamikaze. I don't have any steady, I for sure think this is going down.
I think
but
this one's kind of blown. This doesn't look like anything that I would.
I think that the RSI is breaking now on the 30-second, and it's going to break through, which you probably could get another 30-second put here.
What were we on? I just lost it.
Odd and ZD.
Okay.
I think that, now the 30-second is coming back up. See, it's not really breaking. It's like it's breaking and then it's pushing and it's breaking and it's pushing.
This is not a good push down. It's not
it doesn't have steady push pressure for sure. You're right about that.
And in the 1 minute, if you scroll back, look at where I'm at. Do you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so look at that hard line right there. Okay.
Yeah.
And then that's kind of where it's at. This could just flip real easy and go back up.
Yeah, you're right.
This looks like something I should just take a call on, for 2 minutes. But
yeah, I agree with you because it's probably going to go back up. What is it, odd NZD?
Yeah.
Yeah, you could call it for 2 minutes right here if you hurry up.
I'm already in.
Oh, okay, good. I was gonna say because if it turns around, it's turning around now. And unless it's just a minor pullback and it's a full out, just downtrend. I don't know though. I mean, that's what you have to do is just figure it out, as you go.
Well, there is 13 seconds left on this particular candle.
Okay, well you're good then.
And then so it's going to close out over my line.
Oh, I thought you meant your trade. Okay. Yeah.
No, on this candle's going to close over my line. Boom. Okay, so there's the first one. So far so good. If this candle keeps going up, we're going to when I say we, I mean me, am going to win this. But the previous candle to that first green one there kind of dojied out. I mean, it's not a super big doji, but it's not a real thin doji, but it kind of petered out. You can see. 1 minute warning. Got 54 seconds left. This is pushing up really good right now. So far, so good. Got 20 seconds on this candle. It's kind of falling down, but it was pushing up pretty good. On my timer, I got 35 seconds. I don't like that this candle's losing strength here, but there it goes. It's getting
You're gonna win it.
Push. So we got 25 seconds left. Down to.
I think you're gonna win that.
I think I will. Yeah. 15.
I hope you guys can. I'm listening to all kinds of videos on YouTube right now.
Yes, and I can hear them all. I mean, I can't really make out what anybody's saying, but I can sort of hear stuff. So, okay, well, it looks like we're going to wrap this one up. Boom, that's a win. So I'm at 358.62. I am now a little bit in the money, so I'm just tempted to take another $4 trade to just.
You could. You're in the money, right? I mean, what'd you start with?
Let me tell you exactly. 357.26.
Okay. Well, you probably should just
take a bigger trade and quit playing patty cake with these.
No.
A bigger trade, as in like a $4 trade. I just took a $4 trade and won it. Now, if you look at this in 10 seconds, this looks like a consolidated mess that I do not want to involve myself with unless it's going to break out. And if it breaks out, I think it's going to break upward. Yeah, and that's what it's doing. I'm looking at it in 10 seconds, and I think it's going to go up. But I'm wondering, is it going to go up to the top of those? You see those big twin towers right there, the red and green one?
Yeah, it's probably going to get stopped up there.
It's probably going to hit that and then come back down.
What are you in? Odd NZD. Let me see. I'm going to pull up mine. Yeah, dude, I think it's hitting in a pretty good level of resistance right here. So I don't know that I'd call it here. No. I think if anything, if it breaks above that, then maybe. But I think I'd put it for like 2 minutes. Yeah, I think I'd put it for a minute right up there and just let it tank back down. Because see, it's kind of hitting there. In the 1 minute, you can tell.
It's already coming down. That ship is kind of sailed now.
Yeah. Well, I mean, if it's going to head back down, then you'd still be okay. But still, I'm not sure. But you lost your high point. Yeah. But I think I was right. It hit that twin tower, and then it's just banking back down. It's probably going all the way back down to that. It's going to keep going down there. I'm looking at 1 minute. And
now, if you look at 10 seconds. Look at my screen, okay? See that bottom down there? There's another big red and green right down there.
Yeah, it's kind of set up a box. Yeah, you think it's going to go back up from here?
It didn't quite touch that point, but the RSI almost touched in the 10 seconds.
That's why I would probably take a 1 minute put here or a 2 minute put here still, because I still think
or a call
put. Because I think it's like in the 10 second and the 1 minute. I think it's probably heading back down. Because it tried to break that, it bumped back up, hit that. I'm going to see if
it touches that white line.
I don't know what.
If this RSI breaks over the 50 line, then I might take like a 1 minute put.
Yeah, I still think you could take a put up there.
But then again, it may go higher. So
Yeah.
I want to see if it breaks that line and how high it's going to go, because it's consolidating right here right now.
Yeah, it's kind of hit this bottom again, and it doesn't know if it wants to go back down. It's hit that bottom again, and it's right there.
See, it keeps hitting that line.
Yeah.
If it breaks that, I could just take a 1 minute. I could just take a 1 minute put right here and just assume that it's going to go down.
Yeah, and you keep losing. We've talked so long, you've lost millions of positions.
Well, but I don't know how far that's gonna go at this point. Hold on.
Well, it's about to break the RSI. It's touching the RSI in the 30. It's broken the RSI. It's almost broken in the 1. I mean, you don't have much time left on this.
But I'm wondering when the pullback is going to happen. Now I'm waiting on that 1 minute, the 1 minute pullback.
Yeah, if it's going to pull back, then it's going to happen now because it's touched RSI now. You know.
Think I should take it now for 1 minute or wait?
Well,
it's
at
still
the bottom,
kind of pushing down. I don't know if it makes...
I would have been putting it way up there, but now you're at a low position. I'm not sure. It could pull back.
Well, it's kind of stuck right here, so I don't know if it's going to break it or what, because it's consolidating, but now it's pushing down.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, it's up to you. I don't know.
But the RSI is burned in all of these. So.
Yeah, this 30-second RSI is now going to break through. I mean, if you would have put it back up there, even you'd be winning big time. I don't think that it's going to bounce back. I think it's just going to continue down. It's burnt. The RSI is burned in the 1 minute. It's burned in, but you're looking at 3 red candles now in the 1 minute. So I mean, it's been going down quite a long time. It's been going down since we've been talking about it.
Odd NZD, right?
Yeah, but it's just a $4 trade, so I don't know what you're worried about. I mean...
Well, I could take a 2 minute call from right here.
Yeah, but the RSIs are all burned. I mean, that's dangerous. If anything, I take a 1 minute put. Yeah. I take a 1 minute put, right? Just take a 1 minute put anytime it gives you a wick. And because it's burned, it's going down. Like up there, it's going up a little bit, but
there's been 4 red candles, and historically in this chart, there's not been really many more than that.
Yeah, I mean, you're kind of at the bottom of a place.
I feel like if I took a 2 minute call, it's probably about ready to flip for at least a pullback. But I don't know for sure. Yeah, I mean,
well, either do it or don't. I would get off this chart, because if you're not going to put it, then I get burned on these all the time trying to.
There, I'm gonna take a call. I'm gonna take a chance on a pullback.
Okay, what, a 2 minute?
That's a 1. It should have been a 2, but it's a 1.
Okay. It's
But yeah, I feel like it's...
You're gutsy, but I mean, you are 1, 2, 3, 4. You're 5 candles in, so pocket option just gave a 2 minute call signal.
I could take a 2. Well, I don't want to take any more.
No, don't do any more on this one. But because if you lose this, we'll just go find something else.
Double this up.
Heck no, not right here. Just
but
wait.
I think I might win it. It's getting close.
If it's got to turn around, it's going to do it right now. I mean, it's
getting really close. But it's still pulling down ultimately. So.
Yeah. Let's see here. To me, I'd be surprised if you win this because, like I said, I kind of feel like, to me, it was like call time, baby. It was put time. It was. I hope you win it. Freak! Dang it!
And then it went up right after. I feel like I should just take a.
You could take an $8 call for a minute, but you'd have to do it soon because if it's gonna go up, it's going up right here. It's gonna take a 1 minute $8 or $4 safe, but.
I'll just go 5, but it's already kind of up there, so I'm losing position. The position is kind of burned, but but I don't.
Was that your pull? Was that your pullback in a long downtrend though? That's what I think. Was that your one green candle and like?
But it didn't even end. It's ending red. So
get off this chart, dude. This is such speculation.
I was wondering why we're still here. I was humoring you. Okay, look at
humoring me. You didn't do anything I said.
Look at OddCAD right now. OddCAD. Okay, look at OddCAD. Look at this.
Okay, well,
it's at kind of a level right now.
Okay, yeah. If it jumps up, there, I would put it. If it jumps up back up to that, I don't know what candle you're looking at, but
well, it's kind of already.
Ooh, I don't know. I might call it for a minute from right here because it's probably going to go back up and try to touch that. It isn't really turning around yet. It's probably a 1 minute call.
All right. Well, there we go. I'm in it then.
A 1 minute call?
Yeah, I took a 1 minute call. I could have gotten a better position, but
Yeah, you could have. But still, I don't know what you're looking at. 1 minute? Are you looking at 1 minute chart?
yes.
Dang it. Uh-huh. 1 minute call. This is just going down to that bottom.
I'm gonna double this.
That's fine. Better
Oh
get
crap! Did I just hit that twice? No, I hit it once.
So you better get it while it's down there. Yeah, see, I think it's going to go up from here in the 30 seconds.
I might win them both. Who knows?
I hope you do, dude. That would be
I hope I
freaking
do.
awesome. If it
I hope
consolidates,
I don't lose both.
it's really at a bottom. It's really at a bottom right now. Dang it. Son of a gun. That's interesting. That's terrible.
I lost both of them. Son of a freaking gun! I'm gonna have to go to a $15 trade.
All right, go to a $15 trade, but find something good.
I'm about to take a 1 minute put on this chart here.
Yeah, you could, because it's just tanking now, dude. But don't wait till it gets. If you feel it, just do it. Yeah, I mean it's broken.
It's pulling back up though. It had a major wick. So
what was it? Odd CAD. Yeah, but
I feel like it's still going up.
If it going up,
Yeah, it's 89%. I'm off there.
Odd CAD.
No,
Oh, I'm on Odd USD. Okay, sorry. Oh yeah, look, it went way back up. Jeez, yeah. Let's see, GBP, JPY, Euro, TRY.
Odd NZD is about to hit a major bottom,
Okay.
or
Yeah.
it already kind of is now.
Oh, it broke through. If I did anything, dude, I would just put this for 2 minutes.
You would take a put here?
Heck, freak, yes. It's been going down
But look
forever.
but look at the line that it's at. It's kind of, it's broken through a lot of them, but there's one that it hit back
Okay.
right there. You see that? Look at my screen. Right.
In the 1 minute, I see that
Right
it's.
there.
I know where it's at. It's way back there. It's probably still going to go down and touch it or break it. So I'll just put it for a minute or two here. Just put it for a minute. It hasn't hit it yet. You see, it's going to try to hit that line down there.
1
That
minute?
or wait till it gets down there and then call it for 2 minutes.
That's exactly what I'm thinking.
Wait till it gets down to that line. Not quite yet. I'll tell you when it's there. I've drawn the line. It's right almost there.
It's about there. Should I take a 3 minute or two?
No, I'd take a 2 minute.
right now.
Well,
Start-
when it gets back down there.
Well, it already touched. Now it's starting to retract.
Yeah. So I don't know how much you think it's going to go. Do you think it's going to try to touch again? Because it didn't really touch yet. It
It
Kinda
looked like it
touched.
to me.
yeah. Well, let's see. Well, now it could consolidate it. I'd wait right now because this candle. Okay, if this candle engulfs, then I'd take a 1 minute call. But if it doesn't, I'd wait till it retracts and take a 2 minute or 3 minute call. Because right now it's like, ooh, it's touching that line. It's like, see,
It's kind of
it's gonna fight there. It's gonna go back down. I think it's gonna go back down from here. Just wait till it goes back down there. When it gets down to the bottom of that wick, then I would call it for like 2 minutes. But right now, it's like it's tricking. That you think it wants to go back up, but every pocket option signal is down right now because I do think it's gonna try to go back down. And it didn't want to break the top of that red candle at all. And it's like, but if it does break the top of that red candle, I'd take a 1 minute call. I'd be like, boom, when it hits up there. Because that could be a signal that it's going for it. It stopped hard at that top, though. So now it's like just stuck.
it's
like,
stuck there, dude.
yeah, just wait and see what it does. Because this is going to do something. It's either going to break and start going up, or it's going to go back down and touch that line again. And when it does, that's when I would take my big trade.
For how much? Or how long?
Like a minute. Or I would take it, for like a minute or two. If it hits the bottom, I'd take it for like a minute.
Okay, well, this is going to be a red candle, and it's going to end.
See, I don't know.
It dojied out right there.
Yeah, and it's still going to doji.
It's not going anywhere. This chart is kind of.
Just wait, because it's going to go somewhere. It's going somewhere. It went all the way down touched that big line, and it tried to go back up, and now it's fighting. But in a minute, it's going to make its decision whether it's going to break down and break that line or if it's going to start heading back up. And I think both of them are strong directions. I think they're both strong, although this has been in a massive downtrend. So I do think it'll be relief. I think that, but it's like you kind of want to get a better position or wait till it breaks above that candle wick. Wait till it breaks above that wick.
It's just stuck right there, dude. It is
Right.
stuck.
But it's about ready to start acting crazy. So wait a minute. Yeah, it's going to go back down to that line, and it's going to touch, like the 30-second RSI is about to touch right here. I would take like a 2-minute call, like pretty much any like when it gets down here. Like I'd take a 2-minute call from like down here. Yeah, like right down there. It's
right,
at the
right
bottom.
now?
Yeah, like now. Yeah, like did you do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's touching that bottom line right now. I mean, and if it breaks it, you're screwed.
Yeah.
You're really screwed. But in the 30-second RSI, dude, it's like the textbook trade. It has touched that RSI, and it is on a line. It's on a major line. Most likely it's going to jump back up.
On 30-second candles, you mean?
Yeah, on 30-second candles, it is. See, it's fighting that line. You're probably out of the money. You got a little bit high, but not.
But I'm almost in. A little jump and I'll be in.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's fighting this bottom
still
line.
Really pushing hard down though.
That's right. It's okay. If it's going to push down hard, I want it to do it now and get it over with and start bounce.
I want it to just go up.
I want it to do it's all of its down
still
push.
Got some up push, but I don't know, man. I don't know.
It'll be very interesting if it breaks this down. What do you got?
Okay.
A minute left? Yeah.
Got a minute left. Come
Well,
on, flip,
it was just
go up.
Yeah, it needs to
There
flip.
There we go. Yeah, there we go. Yes. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, there you go. I mean, dude, I'm telling you, that RSI touch was like a textbook Christian trade. It touched that RSI like perfection. 2 minutes was the right time frame too, because you got a little bit high just because I thought it was going to flip earlier. I hope you don't lose just because of that height.
Well, right now I'm watching it in 30 seconds, and it's holding pretty strong.
Yeah, in 30 seconds, it's holding up there. I mean, and it hasn't been moving a lot, so I'm hoping it just stays up there for you. Come on now. Yeah. Let's see, in the 10-second. Yeah, I still think you're either way at this point. 10 seconds looks a little volatile. But I think because it bounced off that bottom, it's got to stay up there a little while.
We got it. Yes.
There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Bam! Are you back up to where you started?
I'm $1 over where I started.
$1. You're doing great, dude.
I am so tempted to take a $10 trade and call it a night. But in the 30 seconds, look at this, though. This is like going up to a line. That is all just hit right up there and then gone down. Like all this looks like a put. Right
I'd take a 2-minute put right now. That's what I would do. I mean, if you want to take a 2-minute $10 put, yeah, that's what I would do. Although it did hit that, you got to be careful because it hit that really strong bottom. You know,
I'm gonna take a $5 3-minute put.
Okay, go ahead, do it.
Boom.
Yeah, because to me it seemed like it really wanted to go back down. You know, it really wanted to go down, but it's hit that line twice. But think about it: if you look at it in 30 seconds, it hit the bottom, then it went down and hit a little lower. Now it went back up. You kind of got a lower low. You got a low and then another lower low, and now this is the moment of truth. If it breaks, if it bounces off this right now and goes back down. Even if it touches that white line, that you're okay because it still has time. But if it decides to go way up,
if it goes way up there, then I'm kind of.
But 3 minutes was a good choice because it gives it time to fart around. All pocket option signals are down. 45 seconds, 7 minutes, 12 minutes, 30 minutes. They're all down. I don't know why.
Look at the. I'm still in 30 seconds, so look at my screen. Look at the RSI. Everything has historically gone up to the 50 line on the RSI, then back down. You see that?
Yeah.
It doesn't really break that much. And so that's where it's at right now. And so I'm thinking, it's probably going to hit this. And then unless it's going way back up, it's just going to fall from here. but it did break the line that I thought it was going to stop at. So who knows? But it is starting to go back down. But it's normal to see a red candle as it hits a white line.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if it's going to... I took a 3-minute $5 put
But
here, too.
it's going to doji there, so...
I'm
thinking about doubling up right here.
Yeah, I would, too. I would, if I were you, I would, because I just took a put from up there where you are right now. Because I was like, yeah, it's hit that white line. It's most likely going back down.
Now it is looking like it's coming back down. So
pocket option is put all signals down.
Really?
It hit a bottom, and you know what I think it did? It hit that bottom, and then it tried to reject. Then it went down, hit a little further down. Then it tried to reject a little harder, but I still think overall this is a major downtrend. Like it's been going down for a long time. So that's why I went ahead and took a $5. Not that I need to be trading right now, but I'm in the money.
Right, but if we win, I'm in the money on one of them.
You could be both, dude.
I'm about to be. I might win them both, and that'll might give me my profit.
Oh yeah, if this tanks down one more red candle, you're in the money, dude. You're good. You're at 34 seconds. Oh, I'm still at 1 minute and 45 seconds. So you're gonna win both of these, I hope, bro.
I hope. If I get one more red candle.
Yeah, if you just get a little red push here.
If I get a red push here, then I will be in the money on both. I'll
kind of candled out. Are you on 30 seconds?
I'm looking at 30 seconds.
Man, come on. Just go down. Don't fight back up. Don't fight back up. It's like it's on the white line. There it goes.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah. Thank you, Lord. Okay.
There you go. Okay, is it going to go down? Are you going to win it? I really want to see you win this. Come on. It's just farting. It's farting. There you go.
Oh, got him. Yes. I won tonight. Woo.
Yeah, baby. Okay. Take it out to the garden town.
$10.
All right. So let's do. Oh, hold on. I need to do something. Hold on. How do you do something? Hold on. All right, so that is yours, and then here's my trade, dude. Look at my trade. Look, I'm in on that, and I'm just want to let the people watch here. I took that trade with you up there. That's 30 seconds. No, that's 10 second. That's 10 second candles. These 30 seconds. I took that. We were right, dude. We were right, and look at that. It's going all the way back down. I'm going to win that, and then I'm going to hit me another win button. And then we can talk about where we're at. Like, that was a pretty good session, dude. I mean, maybe trading with me helps you at least stay emotionally stable. I feel
safer, yeah. I feel more in control.
Oh, man, 15 seconds. I hope I don't lose this. That would suck if I lost
you got it. It ain't going up that far.
Yeah, unless it just went like... It's been moving so slow, I don't think it's going to do that. But there we go.
3, 2, 1, win.
Boom, baby. Man, okay. Let me go back to your screen. I'm feeling really good tonight because, dude, I'm at 18-19. That's the name of the coffee shop. I took one trade tonight, dude. One trade.
I might as well have, dude. That's what I was saying earlier. I did all that nonsense. I won my very first trade. Had I taken a $10 trade right off the bat, I'd have been done like an hour ago. Or whenever, we started this. So
the problem is here, bro. The problem with that is
farting around with just to get back to where I was. Then I took a $5 trade, doubled it up, won both of them, and that gave me my full night's profit. So
yeah, but the problem is when you come in and start taking big trades, you could have been down $50 easy, quick.
Oh yeah.
We got the feel for the charts. We did some pretty decent analysis. We agreed on some longer movements, and we took an opportunity that was really good. And it was wrong. Your first trade was gonna win, but. I mean, I think it's not going to help us financially to just come in and make one big trade.
No, you shouldn't make one big trade. I mean,
I don't know. Maybe if you did all this analysis and you had all these lines drawn and you thought, okay, it's going to hit it, but then it's frustrating.
You could come in and lose 7 trades in a row. That could happen.
It could happen.
So you don't know how your night's going to go.
Yeah, I mean, the other night I
also
won.
know that by your your rule of no more than 20 minutes, we went over that. We definitely flew past.
But you were never you obviously you were never in major danger. You were only ever down like $6 or something.
Right.
So-
Now, had I lost the $15 trade, I'd have been down like 30. So that would have been
That I never thought about that. Yeah, I didn't think about what we were gonna do about that.
so.
But you martingaled a little bit. You compounded a little bit.
Yeah, to some extent, you have to if you're going to win. I mean, I don't see a way not to. It's just that I feel like you can't just bury yourself in martingales.
Well, I figured out a mathematical strategy that's pretty much freaking awesome, and I'm gonna
62. I'm gonna put my let me. Oops, did I unshare my screen? I just unshared there. I just reshared it, but I need to look at my 367. Okay, 367.62. I'm gonna update this. 367.62. Boom. Okay. Today, I made 71 cents surplus. So my surplus hasn't been going up a whole lot because I haven't been winning a lot of surplus. But I have $175 in surplus. So I made 71 cents surplus. I made the 965 that I needed for today's growth.
Okay, well that's kind of all that matters. Did you make your growth? I mean,
Now I'm gonna update my chart. 192.37. That's what I need tomorrow. Okay. 367.62. Okay. So now, tomorrow I'll need $10.16. And I have a surplus of 175.25. Okay. And I'm going to go. Okay. Okay, my my chart is updated. When you send me a new chart, I expect a fresh chart that's not got a bunch of baggage on it.
what are you
And
talking about?
It's got like a trading journal, like your trading journal, all over it. Like,
Didn't I delete it though?
no, it's got like months and months worth of trading journal on it.
Oh, you want me to send you another chart when?
No, it's fine.
Just delete it all, dude.
Traded August 11th. Traded with Todd on an insane session and got a good profit. Man, we got in danger.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I take notes on almost every day.
Traded with Todd at night. Lost a bunch with 30-second trades. Then he saved us. And
Yeah,
made
remember that
profit
night?
with 5-second trades. I do remember that.
Yeah. Let's see here.
Okay. So 10 days are clear. 80 to go to get to. And now I close. I'll just leave it open so that people can see it.
Yeah, leave it open. I just bought a bunch of Waves plugins. Dude, I'm
Did
so
you?
excited. Yeah.
Is anybody like watching us tonight?
I don't think so. Why?
People have all quit watching us.
Have they?
I don't know. Would you watch us?
No, because we're stupid. I wouldn't watch us.
I wouldn't watch me, but that's because I don't think I'm that interesting. But
I would watch us. I mean, I think people watch us.
but I guess if other people have a reason to watch me, then there's that.
Oh, let's see here. I sold a bunch of guitar pedals online.
You did?
Yeah.
I tuned a piano.
Did you? Was it fun?
I think so. Yeah.
Was it fun?
No.
Okay. Let's see what else I'm going to tell you. I feel like I got a bunch of crap to do that I haven't done. I just feel like I'm really... Oh, yeah. Fix these out. Oh, crap.
I feel like I have a bunch of important stuff to do related to like business that I haven't done, but I don't know what. Probably like order piano strings and go fix that dude's hammer shank and go fix that guy's A-graph and just crap like that I just.
Oh, that's right. You're getting quite a little to-do list there. I got your A-graphs.
Yeah.
I got your A-graphs.
Look what's on that came up in my news feed.
Hold on. How am I going to see it? Oh.
Look at me. Look at my screen.
Oh, yeah, you're live. You're live right now. It came up on your newsfeed?
Yeah, and I'm actually seeing myself on the phone, holding the phone.
Oh, man. That must make you feel, like, really awesome.
Yeah.
18, 19. Well, in my plan, I'll tell you what. In my plan, I think I'm in surplus by 432. And...
Are you doing something squeaky or...
What? Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Why?
Okay, because I was hearing it, and I don't know if I was hearing something squeaking outside of my headphones.
Oh.
Or yeah.
Oh my mouse ball roller thing is kind of squeaky. That's
Spray
weird.
with some WD-40.
I should actually. Yeah, I mean, we got 2 people watching us tonight. I mean, maybe if you're watching us, maybe it's probably you. You're probably one of them. You're watching yourself, dude.
I'm not watching. I just saw it on my thing, so.
Oh.
So it must be somebody else.
Let's see here. Huh.
Excuse me. What day are you? What day are you going on vacation?
I don't know. What do you mean? What day?
I don't know what day you going on
I
vacation.
can't tell you that on the internet. I ain't going on.
Yeah,
I ain't
why am
going
I
on-
asking you that when we're live on?
I ain't going on no vacation.
Yeah, Eric will not be home. He lives at his house will be vacant. He's got security stopping by on Tuesday at 3:30. But other than that, there will be no one on property. If you see lights on at the house at 8 o'clock at night, that's because he has a timer. Trust me, there's nobody home. Yeah, right. Why would I ask you that?
I have no idea. I ain't going on no vacation. I never do. I don't. Well, I go to Florida sometimes.
Yeah.
Man, let's see if this 8/20/26 97. Yeah, let's do this. 900. Boom. Ba-doom, but just charged. Boom, ba-boom. Okay, well that's done. I did that. I looked up my thing and I realized I had to charge somebody. I forgot to charge somebody like $900, so I just did that.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. Facebook ads. Okay, now I have to. Dude, I have to go into Gazelle and make like all these. We should probably just end this live stream.
Yeah.
Because we're just talking about personal crap now. Does anybody have anything to say? Let's look and see if anybody will chat to us. Anybody chatting to us? No.
I don't
All
see
right.
any chats, no.
All right. We did it. We killed it. We're going to kill it more. Join our podcast. Join, like us, subscribe to the channel. Do everything you need to do. And also, go on there and join the inner circle. And then become a member of stuff. And then do all that stuff. And then get yourself a binary options account. Now, see you all later, folks.